Moin moin, ich bin der Linguistish. Willkommen zurück. Hello, I'm Linguistish and welcome back to Super Mario RPG, Legend of the Seven Stars. We're on our way to the Weg des Diebes, the way of thieves, and following Croco here. Da ist er. Wahrscheinlich hat die Münze in seinem Beutel. There he is. Probably he has the coin in his bag. Los, hinterher. Come on, after him. Willst du mir folgen? Do you want to follow me? Geh heim, bevor ich dir weh tue, du Kind. Go home before I hurt you, you child. And the word being used for hurt you there is weh tue. So weh is hurt and tue or tun is to do. So before I do you harm. And he runs away and we go follow. Okay, Sprung auf Frogog. Spiky. Hey, 16 Schaden, 16 damage. That's actually not bad for Mallow. I feel like Mallow ends up weirdly underpowered in this game, at least from my memory. Okay, so that Spiky's down. Okay, ein bisschen Geld, ein bisschen Erfahrung. And now, I haven't been jumping on these guys because I've been thinking they're spiky, I can't do any damage to them. But with the Sprungstiefel, which I actually bought, I can do damage to them, so that's cool. 66 damage, that's really, really good for this early in the game. So we can just spam Sprung on all of the enemies, even the spiky ones. Good to know, gut zu wissen. Okay. Kommen hier und speichern, coming here and saving. And okay. Follow Croco. Hier kommt ihr bestimmt nicht hinterher, also auf Wiedersehen. You definitely aren't coming through here, so goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen literally means until we see you again. Sehen is the word for to see, and wieder means again. Oh, didn't mean to jump on that flower, but that's fine. Croco again. Oh, du bist hartnäckig. Oh, you're stubborn. Hartnäckig. Hard is what heart means, and neckish has to do with the neck, so it's like stiff-necked. Don't give up. You're stubborn. Aber ich bin schon wieder weg, but I am already gone again. And the word he used there, weg, that means literally road or path, and it's the same word as we saw on the Weg des Diebes, the way of thieves. But it can also be used for being away or going away. Because you take a path away or towards something. So you can say geh weg, go away, but you can also take a weg. You can walk on it. Level up bonus. Mario erreicht Level 3. Okay. Und lernt Feuerball. Or Fireball. I'm going with the Angriff bonus. I think that'll be the best one. And I think we'd better heal just a little. Oh, Mario's already healed from the level up, so awesome. There we go. All these spikies. So with all these spikies coming in, getting me, they're getting a little annoying. And so in German we could say, die Nerven. which means that it comes from the same word as nerve, and just basically means they're getting on my nerves. Another related but slightly different way of putting that would be die gehen mir auf die Nerven. So they're going on my nerves. They're walking on my nerves and just bothering me. Which, to be honest, they indeed are. Those spikies are major pain. Gib schon auf! Give up already! Die Schatztruhe ist verlockend. The treasure chest is tempting, aber ich habe keine Zeit. But I don't have any time. Luckily, we do have the time. Wir haben Zeit dafür. And hey, we got an unverwundbar Stern, an invincibility star. Very, very cool. Grab a couple of level ups here. Sehr schön. Und was wollen wir? Do we want HP, Angriff? Yeah, we'll take Angriff. That seemed like the best one. Okay, und gehen wir weiter. Let's keep going. Sackgasse. A dead end. So a Sackgasse is like a dead end or a cul-de-sac. Und die geben nicht auf. And they're not giving up. Ich versteck mich jetzt. I'll hide myself now. Versteckt sich. He's hiding. Schleichen wir uns von hinten an und schnappen ihn. So let's sneak up on him from behind and nab him. So schleichen, sich schleichen is to creep. We got healed right there. Very nice. Oh, there we go. Oh, ihr Idioten könntet keinen Kürbis fangen. You idiots couldn't catch a pumpkin. Ha! Eure Augen sind schneller als eure Füße. Ha! Your eyes are faster than your feet. So dauert es noch 100 Jahre, bis ihr mich erwischt. It'll last another 100 years until you catch me. I'm gonna wait for him to see if he'll turn around and from behind. Yeah. Ha! Eure Augen sind schneller als eure Füße. Ha! Your eyes are faster than your feet. So dauert es noch 50 Jahre, bis ihr mich erwischt. Yeah, it'll be another 50 years. And there we go. Ihr schon wieder, you again. Das nervt langsam. Hey, it's that thing I was talking about, Sie nerven. So here, das nervt, that annoys, that gets on my nerves. And langsam technically means slowly, but in this context, it means it's getting to be. So that is getting to be annoying. Das nervt langsam. So dauert es noch. So it'll last. Ach, genug. Enough. Ihr habt mich gefunden. You found me. Ich gebe euch die Münze. I'll give you the coin. Habt ihr mir wirklich geglaubt? Did you really believe me? Ich habe gelogen. I lied. And that ihr, the IHR, IHR, that we've been seeing, that is, that's another form of you. That's the plural you. So in German, they distinguish between singular you and plural. Like we don't really have in English except for like y'all. So du is singular, ihr is plural. And here we go into battle. I'm gonna go ahead and use Sprung on him. That worked pretty well. And Mario can use Sprung again. And then I guess we'll just have Mallow use Attacke. Boah, 3. Fast gar nichts. You just did 3, almost nothing. Es ist fast peinlich, almost embarrassing, aber egal. But whatever. Perhaps he'll get better as time goes on. Mal sehen. We'll just see. Vielen Dank. Thank you very much, he says. That's a nice little touch that they translated that. He can probably survive. I may regret that. All out of flower points. Gonna heal again. Wir müssen heilen. Heilen is the word to heal. Seltsamer Pilz. Strange mushroom, or like creepy mushroom maybe. Yeah, we'll just attack. Ah, he does so little damage. And I don't know why I keep trying to use Sprung over and over when I know that I'm out of flower points. That's okay. Ooh. Mallow can heal. Oh, that was... Whoa, jeez. It's already almost dead again. I better buy some more items next time I'm in a town. Oh, dang it. Okay, we'll use the Hilf mir auf. Bring him back to life. Vielen Dank. Good, managed to actually block that one. Alright. He's gotta be almost dead, but I'm gonna use this Honigsirup anyway. Get back some flower points. Einen umsonst. Oh, nice. So, one free. So, we didn't actually even end up using up the, that Honigsirup. Gib mir meine Münze. Give me my coin. Oder ich schlag dich. Or I'll hit you. Ouch! Das werde ich euch zurückzahlen. I'm gonna pay you back for that. Komm schon, come on. Nimm deine dreckige alte Münze. Take your dirty old coin. Adios, amigos. Ja, das ist nicht Deutsch. Juhu! Wir haben sie, we have it. Alright. Geschafft! Managed it. Wir haben Opas Münze wieder. Jetzt kann ich endlich einkaufen. Now I can finally go shopping. Hey, schau mal her. Hey, just look here. Dieser Kroko hat einen Geldbeutel verloren. This Kroko has lost a Geldbeutel or a wallet. So verloren, that's the past tense meaning of having lost, and then hat is has. So Geldbörse gefunden. So we found a little money pouch. Sehr cool. Ich gehe zurück zum Geschäft in Schwammelreich. Kommst du? So I'm going back to the business or the shop in the Mushroom Kingdom. Are you coming? Ja, Mallow. Wir kommen gerne mit. We'll gladly come with. Let's see. Do we need to... Nope. Looks like we're fully healed. Also gut. Dann gehen wir zurück. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions on German, anything I can help you out with, and hope to see you next time here as we're playing Super Mario RPG. Vielen Dank und tschüss. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, liken, kommentieren und abonnieren bitte. Danke und tschüss.